Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, I am teaching you chapter number 22. Name of the chapter is India and the World. India and the world. So student, today date is 30 November 2020 and welcome back to your EVS class. So we have completed all the topics of this chapter. So student, in today's video, let's start with the book exercises of the chapter. Question number A, tick the correct answer. Pick the correct answer. So student, question number 1, the earth has dash continents. Option number A 3, option number B 5, option number C 7 and option number D 9. So what is the meaning of the word continent? See student, if we see the surface of the earth, then we will find that more than 72% the surface of the earth is covered with water and rest of the area is covered by the land. And even student, this land is not same. Somewhere you will observe plains, somewhere hills, somewhere mountains, plateaus and even desert also. So student, and these are the huge mass of land. कॉन्टिनेंट दिस, ये क्या है? जमीन के टुकड़े हैं, ठीक है. सो स्टूडेंट, दीज ऑल आर नॉट ज्वाइंट टुगेदर, ये आपस में एक दूसरे से ज्वाइन नहीं है. सो दे आर एट द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ईच अदर, ये एक दूसरे से काफी दूर है. और इनके बीच में क्या है बेटा? दैट इज ऑल वाटर. इनके बीच में क्या है? सब वाटर बॉडीज हैं. Is it clear? That is the reason student, in the old time, or you can say that in the past time, due to waterways, the people discover the different countries. waterways के थ्रू ही लोगों ने different countries की क्या की थी? खोज की थी. Is it clear? So what is the right answer? Right answer is 7. The earth has dash continent. The earth has 7 continents. So ये 7 continents हैं, लैंड हैं जो आपस में एक दूसरे से दूर दूर हैं और इन सब के बीच में क्या है? वाटर है. So the waterway only we are in the old time we are able to discover many countries. Is it clear? Now see the question number 2. Now question number 2, which color which color represent which color represent the which color represent the water bodies on a map. So student, option number A blue, option number B green, option number C brown, and option number D, that is none of these. So students, when I explained you the different features of the map, at that time I explained you that colors are also used in the map में क्या यूज होते हैं बेटा? At that time I explained you that the colors are also used on the map. And see, now in this question, which color represent the water bodies? So what is the color which is used in the map for the water body? Is blue, green, brown, none of these. See student, green color is used for the fields, plains के लिए ये color यूज होता है. Green color is used for the plains, okay. And brown, that is dark brown color, which is used to show the mountains on the map. This is used to show the mountains on the map. And see student, to represent the water bodies on a map, the color which we use is the blue color. So right answer is blue. Option number A, right answer is blue. Option number A. Now see question number 3. The top of map, shows the dash. The top of map shows the dash direction. Option number A north, option number B south, option number C east, and option number D west. Okay, so student, see, in all the maps, directions are shown on the map because it helps us to find the exact location of the place. जितने भी मैप होते हैं बेटा, उसमें डायरेक्शंस दी होती हैं. Why? These direction help us to indicate the right place on the map. So student, when I explained you about the direction, at that time I told you about the directions which are given on the map. So see student, the top of map shows the dash direction. This is the name of all the 4 direction is given: north, south, east and west. So whenever you observe the map, student, you will observe the top position which is given in the map, that is the north direction. That is the north direction. So option number A is the right answer. South is the bottom, north is on the top, south is in the bottom. And when you stretch your hand like this, when you stretch your hand like this, so direction towards our right hand, this is my right hand, so direction towards my right hand is always east, and the direction towards this is my left hand, so direction towards my left hand is always west. So in this manner we find the directions, position of the direction in the map. North is on the top, south is in the bottom, right hand side that is here east, and left hand side that is here which direction? West direction. So right answer is north. Now next question, question number 4. Maps can be broadly divided into dash types. So option number A 2, option number B 3, option number 4 C, option number C that is 4, and option number D that is 5. So student, when we do study about the maps, then the map can be broadly divided into how many types? So in the chapter I explained you about map, what is a map and what does the map show. It tells you about the exact location of the place, and it also tells you the distance covered, how much distance we have to cover. So it tells you about the exact measurement. ये तुम्हें क्या बता रहा है बेटा? It tells you about the exact measurement. Exact measurement भी आपको बता रहा है, ठीक है. Now maps can be broadly divided into dash type. So when I am teaching you about the maps, जब मैंने आपको maps के बारे में बताया था student, so at that time I told you that the maps are divided into 3 types. That is, one is known as physical map, another is known as political map, and the third one is a thematic map. Is it clear? Physical map tells you about the type of a land. Physical map tells you that what type of a land is present, whether it is a hill, plains, mountains, plateaus, or desert area, or water bodies. That thing all tell about by the physical map. Political map tell you about the different states of your country and their boundaries also, and which are the cities inside that state. All that things detail you will get in a political map. And thematic map, it as a name, it show that it is a theme based map. So thematic map, it gives you the detail of the related theme. For example, railways of India. So in India, where are the railways? It will give you the detailed knowledge of that things. Population of India. In this manner, thematic map is a theme based map. So map can be broadly divided into dash types. So right answer is 3 types. So what is the right answer, student? Right answer is 3 types. Next, question number 5. Yes. Name the following. Okay. Next question is. Name the following. Question number B. Question number B. Name the following. Okay. So question number 1. Name the following. Question number 1. The four directions. The four directions. The four directions. So what are the four directions? Note down. North, south, east, and west. North, south, east, and west. Question number 2. Four direction. Name of the four direction is given: north, south, east, and west. Is it clear? Now the continent which is an island. Okay. The continent which is an island. The continent which is an island. Island means from all the four sided it is surrounded by the water. चारों तरफ से इसका मतलब वो क्या है बेटा? वो पानी से घिरा हुआ है. ठीक है, चारों तरफ से वो किससे घिरा हुआ है बेटा? पानी से घिरा हुआ है. And which continent is surrounded by a water? So name of the continent is Australia. AUS, Australia. So the continent which is an island is the Australia. Now question number 3. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is next question. The largest ocean. So question number 3. The largest ocean. Is it clear? Now next question. See, we have 5 oceans. How many oceans we have? We have 5 oceans. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Antarctic Ocean. So out of these 5 oceans, which is the largest one? So the name of the largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Note down. Name of the largest ocean is Pacific. Pacific Ocean. Name of the largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Then 0 degree latitude. 0 degree latitude. LATITUDES. 0 degree latitudes is known as student equator. 0 degree latitude is known as equator because it divides the earth into two equal parts. Is it clear? Because it divides the earth into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So 0 degree latitude is the equator. Fifth question. Now, largest continent. The largest continent. So, see student, there are 7 continents. ये जमीन के टुकड़े कितने हैं बेटा? 7 है. So now the question is, which is the largest continent? So the largest continent is the continent in which we are living, that is Asia. Largest continent is Asia. So the largest continent means the continent in which we are living, that is Asia. The largest continent is Asia. Now next question is, match the following. Is it clear? Next question is, match the following. Next is the match the following. Match the following. One, two, three, four, and this is the fifth one. Equator. First one is the equator. Longitudes. Longitudes. Globe. Greenwich. Latitudes. 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 Okay. Now see student, equator, longitudes, globe, Greenwich or latitudes. Okay. Now see 0 degree meridian. 0 degree meridian. Then halfway between north pole, halfway between north pole and south pole. Is it clear? Halfway between north and south pole. Third is run from east to west. Run from east to west. run from east to west in a circle. Next, run from north pole to south pole. Run from north pole to south pole. Run from north pole to south pole. Next, an exact model of the earth. Now see student, equator. What is equator? I already explained you student that equator divides the earth into two equal halves. Upper is known as northern hemisphere and lower one is known as southern hemisphere. So what is equator? Halfway between north pole and a south pole. So student, equator half between north pole and south pole. It divides the earth into two equal parts. Upper is known as northern hemisphere and bottom is known as southern hemisphere. So this is the right match. Is it clear? Now next is longitude. So लॉन्गिट्यूड इक्वेटर जो था बेटा, ये लाइंस कैसी थी? हॉरिजॉन्टल थी, ठीक है। नाउ लॉन्गिट्यूड, दीज आर वर्टिकल लाइंस। ये लाइंस कैसी हैं? वर्टिकल, जिसको हम लोग मैथमेटिक्स की लैंग्वेज में स्टैंडिंग लाइंस भी बोलते हैं। सो इट डिवाइड्स द अर्थ इनटू अर्थ वर्टिकली। किस पोजीशन में अर्थ को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं? वर्टिकल में। सो zero meridian, no, this is not right match. Run from east to west, no. Run from north pole to south pole, so yes. Longitudes, okay. So run from, these are the second one, longitude. Zero meridian, no, this is not a right answer. फिर halfway, this is the answer of a equator. फिर run from east to west in a circle, no, this is also not a right answer. And फिर run from north pole to south pole, ठीक है, this is the right answer. क्योंकि देखो, this is the picture, ठीक है, और ये ऐसे वर्टिकली इसे डिवाइड कर रही है। कैसे डिवाइड कर रही है? वर्टिकली डिवाइड कर रही है। तो अब ये रन फ्रॉम नॉर्थ पोल टू, अब इसमें लाइंस क्या है? नॉर्थ से साउथ की ओर रन कर रही है। इज इट क्लियर? सो लॉन्गिट्यूड्स, राइट आंसर इज रन फ्रॉम नॉर्थ पोल टू साउथ पोल, ठीक है। रन फ्रॉम north pole to south pole. Next is a globe. What is a globe? So student, globe is the small model of the earth. Globe किसका मॉडल है बेटा? Globe is the small model of the earth. So what is the right answer? Yes, globe, an exact model of the earth, that is known as globe. Is it clear? Now Greenwich. So what is this? This is the line which is passing through the London, ठीक है। So the right answer is 0 degree meridian. So the right answer is 0 degree meridian. This is the right answer. Now latitudes. Latitudes are which type of line? These are हॉर्जेंटल लाइंस। ये कैसी लाइन है? लैटिट्यूड्स, दीज आर हॉर्जेंटल लाइंस। ओके, लाइक दिस small picture. This line is known as equator. This line is known as equator, and these lines which are, so these are horizontal lines. Latitudes कैसी लाइन है बेटा? These are horizontal lines. So latitudes run from east to west in a circle. Okay, so latitudes run from east to west in a circle. Thank you, student.